Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on your OPPO A6 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is clean the microphone port with a non-metallic tool. So if you use something metallic, then you can only damage the port even more, and that can damage the port so much that it just won't be usable anymore. So if the port is good, then do not touch it with a non-metallic tool. Sorry, do not touch it with a metallic tool, only use a non-metallic tool like soft brushes or air compressors. Now, to the next step. Open up the tools folder if you still have it, or find the recorder app on your phone and try and see if your voice is being recorded with the microphone. So here we need to press here, click on allow. And as you guys can see, whenever I'm not talking, then this just won't move. So our microphone is definitely working. We can now cancel it. And as you guys can see, our microphone is working. But if yours still isn't, then what you guys can do is restart the phone to refresh the entire system. So click the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now swipe up to restart the device, and now your device is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second after the device restarts. Now after the restart, enter the password if you have one, and after that what you guys can do as a last resort is update your software to fix any mic glitches. So open up the settings and swipe down until you guys see system and update. Here you will click software update. And as you guys can see, it will check for updates automatically. So in a second, we should know if we have the latest version. And I do, but if you don't and you see a button to update it, then make sure you do that, because it's very important to keep up with the latest version of your software. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.